Daddy, sabi ni Nanay Nits, sobrang patay na patay ka daw sa kanya.
Siguro.
I was lost on a road headed nowhere without you. Didn't know all that my heart was missing without you. Then I looked in your eyes.
Wala, naramdaman ko lang siya yung gusto ko na okay siya. Siguro dahil talagang kami dala, destiny. Kasi talagang sa kanya ako na in love.
So awake again. I believe
Sana marating pa namin susunod anniversary. Mga 10 taon pa sana. Baka sakali.
now my heart's feeling something electric here with you.
Happy 50th anniversary. Thank you sa lahat ng umattend ng event na ito. Yan, para sa kanila is very memorable to. Nandito lahat ng relatives and friends. We love you, Mother and Pops. Wish din namin yung wish nyo na makasama pa kayo longer. 20 years? Yeah.
I feel so awake again. I believe in love again. Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel
Mama, Papa, thank you sa lahat. Ayun nga, sana haba pang buhay nyo. Stay healthy palagi and sana lagi kayong kahit nag-aaway, lagi pa rin magkasama. And basta thank you lang sa lahat. Sa lahat ng nagawa nyo para sa kahit magkalayo kami ni Kuya, laging tatandaan na dito lang kami palagi sa inyo. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And thank you.
Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng more anniversaries para na malusog, malakas at hindi yung inaalagaan. I love you.
Lord have mercy, I can't breathe now that you stand next to me. You make me feel awake.
Happy anniversary, Lola and Lolo. I hope you have a great day and stay together forever.